Motorola is just days away from unveiling the all-new Edge 70 Max in India on July 15th. But thanks to a fresh hands-on leak, we no longer have to imagine what the phone looks like. And if you're expecting just another flagship refresh, this latest leak suggests Motorola is aiming much higher. The leaked hands-on video gives us our clearest look yet at the Motorola Edge 70 Max, revealing the phone in a striking pale green finish. Right away, the design feels clean and premium. On the front, there's a completely flat display surrounded by impressively slim bezels on all four sides, giving the phone a modern flagship appearance. Flip the device over, and you'll find a raised, square-shaped camera island that blends neatly into the glass back panel. But here's where things get more interesting. A close-up of the camera module confirms that the main sensor is a Sony LYTIA 50-megapixel camera with optical image stabilization, or OIS. Motorola hasn't officially talked about the cameras yet, making this leak the first real confirmation of the primary sensor. The build quality also appears to be a major highlight. The Edge 70 Max features flat aluminum side rails paired with a premium glass back panel, giving it a solid flagship feel. Another detail that immediately stands out is a dedicated AI button placed on the left side of the frame, while the power and volume buttons remain on the right. That dedicated AI key could become one of the phone's signature features, potentially offering quick access to Motorola's AI-powered tools. As if the hands-on video wasn't enough, well-known tipster Sudhanshu Ampur has also shared high-quality renders of the device. According to the leaked images, the Edge 70 Max will arrive in 3 Pantone-inspired color options: Onyx Black, Sage Green, and Glacier Blue, giving buyers plenty of premium-looking choices. The display is shaping up to be one of the biggest highlights. The leak claims the phone packs a massive 6.82-inch LTPO OLED panel with a sharp Quad HD Plus resolution. It also supports a super smooth 144Hz refresh rate, making scrolling, gaming, and animations feel incredibly fluid. Even more impressive is the claimed peak brightness of up to 7,000 nits, which, if accurate, would place it among the brightest smartphone displays available. Under the hood, Motorola is reportedly using Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset, promising flagship-level performance for gaming, multitasking, and AI features. The processor is expected to be paired with up to 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, ensuring blazing fast memory speeds and smooth performance even under heavy workloads. Battery life could also be a major selling point. The Edge 70 Max is said to pack a huge 7,100 mAh battery, significantly larger than what most flagship phones currently offer. Charging shouldn't be an issue either, as the device is confirmed to support 90-watt wired fast charging along with 25-watt magnetic wireless charging, giving users multiple convenient ways to power up. To keep temperatures under control during gaming or demanding tasks, Motorola has also equipped the phone with a massive 5,500 square millimeter vapor chamber cooling system, which should help maintain peak performance even during extended use. With a premium design, flagship Snapdragon performance, a massive battery, ultra-bright LTPO OLED display, and a Sony LYTIA camera, the Motorola Edge 70 Max is shaping up to be one of Motorola's most ambitious flagship smartphones yet. Now all that's left is the official launch on July 15th, where we'll finally find out its pricing and whether Motorola has any more surprises in store. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.